so I want to show you a few products that Temu sent me. First, we have this baseball cap. You guys, I did not know that it said Los Angeles. I did not know that. I was like, this hat will probably not see the light of day, but it's cute. For y'all that don't care, okay, it's cute, right? But I'm like, Angeles, nah. Next, I have this little rhinestone bag. I mean, I don't know. I was like, me personally, I'll probably get this to a child. It looks like it can hold quite a bit. Here's the inside. So you can get quite a bit in here. They also sent this green flat. I thought these would be super cute to throw on with like one of my kimonos that I have in particular. The only thing is you can see like the little white on the inside. I wish that that was all, you know, green. Other than that, for the price, these are super duper cute to throw on. You know, if you want to just have a vibrant color and you don't feel like wearing your heels, these are super cute to throw on. Next, I have this little flat. You can see that it's got the little sparkles on it. This flat is actually quite comfortable. And yeah, you know, just a cute little flat to throw on, and it's not pricey at all. Lastly, this cute little clear heel. And these are really comfortable. I tried these on. I walked around in them. Super comfortable. Can wear with anything. And they actually have them in different colors. I chose the one with the white base. But they did have, I think, like a pale pink and one other color. Anyway, all the links will be below, along with the prices. And yeah, happy shopping.